We'll guide you through how to set up and use Opencode CLI in VS Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Without any other further ado, we're going to hand you over to Pauser, who'll guide you through the steps.
Now, the most important requirement is Node.js because Opencode uses npm which comes with Node.js. So now just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Node.js and then click on the official website and then click on get Node.js and follow the setup process. It is pretty simple. And now once the Node.js is installed, go back to your Visual Studio Code and click on terminal at the top and click on new terminal. And now in the terminal, just go ahead and type node space -v and hit enter. And if you see a version number, it means Node.js is installed correctly. Now we need to install Opencode CLI globally. The Opencode CLI npm command is available in the description below. Simply copy the command here and then paste it into your terminal. Press Ctrl V to paste and hit enter. And now just wait for it to load. After installation, just go ahead and type Opencode space -- and version and hit enter to verify the installation. If you see a version number, it means Opencode is installed successfully. Now let's set up a simple project so you can understand how to use it. Just go to file and open a folder, and then for me I want to create a new folder, so I'll just go ahead and create a folder like a demo folder and hit enter. Go inside the folder and click on select folder, and now your folder will open inside of VS Code. Now once that your folder is open, go to terminal and click on new terminal. And now in the terminal, just go ahead and type Opencode and hit enter. This will open the Opencode CLI interface inside of your terminal. So now you will see ask anything. So just go ahead and type a prompt like create a clean personal portfolio website with section for skill, project and contact form. Make it modern and easy for it to edit later and hit enter. Opencode will automatically generate the required file and code for you inside your project. Now I'll just wait for it to finish. Now once finished, to preview your project, go to the extensions tab, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for live server and hit enter. Now install this particular extension, and as for me, I have already installed. After installing, you'll see the go live option at the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and click on that, and your portfolio website will now open in the browser and you can see everything working. If you want to make any changes, you don't need to manually edit code. Just go back to Opencode and then type something like make the hero section more modern and add a dark theme toggle and hit enter. Just wait for it to load. After that, your project will be updated automatically. So let's go ahead and preview it. So just go to our website, and as you can see now, it has added a toggle for light and dark theme.